Reading for December the 28th to the 31st, air signs, yun lang, yung araw, 4 days. So, gawin na rin natin, no? A Ten of Swords, Empress in the World card. Parang sinabi mo dito, I'm going to end this miserable feeling, miserable life. Um, or I'm going to change something Empress, no, with my physique. So I'm going to parang matagal na rin. I'm going to cut off the rice, no. I'm going to cut my hair, magpahaba ng buhok o ano ba yan, magpaputi, magpatan, what have you. I think that those changes with the world card really parang nag-iba yung perception ng tao, lalo na itong taong pino sabihin natin nagpapa-cute ka o pinopormahan mo o gustong bumalik, 'no? Something in them wanted to turn 180 degree and parang pabalik sa'yo o bumalik sa'yo. Um, you made actually the right choice. It felt like bagay kung ano man itong mga physical changes na ginagawa mo. So keep on doing that. But this is your quick reading, air signs for December the 28th to the 31st.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.